storm surge video. I want to point out a couple of things both with the track and then where we go with the storm surge numbers. Now the big shift or the big change in the track is Florence turning back here towards South Carolina. And that does one of two things. It keeps the heavy rainfall around for our coastal communities, but also the wind field, as you'll see here in just a little bit. So we're going to see more of an east to southeasterly wind for an extended period of time. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we have with the wind field to begin with. I want to go through the day and point out a couple of things. Now, this is Thursday at noon. You got the yellows, you also have the purples, but the arrows are indicating where that wind is coming from. The center of circulation is down here towards the bottom part of my feet. This is Thursday at noon. As we go through our Thursday night and Friday, that circulation, the eye of Florence, gets closer and closer to eastern North Carolina and our coast. Now, this is Thursday at 10 p.m. This is when we start picking up more of an easterly wind through the sounds and also our rivers. But notice how long that easterly component stays in the forecast. This is Friday at 7 p.m. So that slow turn with the eye going back down to South Carolina means from Friday at 7 a.m. all the way into the evening hours, more than 12 hours, we're going to see winds from the southeast to the east, and that is going to really bring up the water levels not only through our rivers but also along our coast. And we're going to see big fluctuations in the kind of water through the New River. Anywhere you see the red is the 6 to 10 plus feet in terms of storm surge. The Neuse River, parts of Pamlico County, anywhere you see the red, there's also a storm surge warning that is in effect. Again, the red indicating 6 to 10 plus, and most concerning is that duration of these east to southeasterly winds. As we push further to the north, we can't completely eliminate the impacts from the system. Keep in mind it's 250 to 300 miles across with Florence, and we keep that east to southeasterly wind in the forecast, 2 to 4 with that storm surge for the Albemarle Sound. Also a little bit higher along the Outer Banks and Manio with about a 4 to 6 foot storm surge.